Hey guys, in this video, we have listed the top 10 best pocket and folding knives on the market on our personal opinion. After performing our research based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, and other related issues, we have chosen the products. There is no product on the list that is chosen by any influence or particular request. Please check product link description below.
Hey yo, what is going on guys? This is OG4. This is the Gerber Mini Paraframe Fine Edge Clip Folding Knife. That's a long name for a little knife. Now, as you can see, it's the same size as a Bic lighter. It's pretty small, actually. It's pretty small. It's really small. It has a clip on it. You want to clip it on. You can take it off too, just in case. You cannot go switch it on the other side if you want to. It's only on one side. And it has a frame lock design right here. It's a good knife, really sharp edge, your little pointy tip right there. It's pretty good. The only thing I don't like is when you're grabbing it, if you have medium-sized hands, or mostly maybe for someone with like 3 fingers, it's kind of hard. I use it to open packages, so I'm usually holding it like this, open packages or envelopes, stuff like that. Other than that, good knife. Nothing bad to say about it.
Smith & Wesson SWMP4LS Assisted Folding Knife. This knife is sick. Super sharp, straight out of the box. Lock, open, quick as hell. The blade is ridiculous. You hold it perfect. It's as if I'm holding a pistol. Oh my god. Definitely this is one of my favorite knives so far. Close it up. Perfect. Use your thumb. Wow. Ridiculous. I am so happy with this purchase. Definitely. Kudos to Smith & Wesson. Perfect, perfect, perfect.
Really nice. So there it is, the Griptilian 556. Obviously, due to its size, the primary use of this is going to be an EDC knife. It's a 2.19 inch blade, 154 cm stainless steel that was developed by Crucible, primarily for industrial applications, but works really well for high-end steel blades, cutlery, surgical, things like that. Very widely used. The Japanese have reverse engineered it, so there's actually a couple different versions of this particular alloy of steel. but this particular one is the actual US made crucible steel, which is nice. It's a 5861 Rockwell, so that's right up there. Not exactly the hardest, but that's going to be right up there.
Today at CRKT we are taking a look at the Lucas Burnley designed squid. This is a beautiful little knife designed as an EDC folder. It is smaller, compact. Lucas designed it as kind of like the knife version of a compact pistol. You can see some of those lines and different feel there. It is a smaller knife, but I've been carrying one for 2 weeks and I really enjoy it, really love it. Here are some of the specs on it. The overall length on it is 5.7 inches. The blade length is 2.1 inches, so it's under that 3 magic number there. So you can carry it in places where 3-inch blades, over 3-inch blades are illegal. You can see Squid Burnley design on the one side. It's got an ambidextrous thumb stud for easy left or right-handed opening. I like the jimping on the spine there. The closing on this knife, it is a frame lock. You can see, just push over there and pull the blade down to close it. I love the black stonewash. So basically we put a black coating on there and then tumble it with a bunch of stones to give it that look and feel. The pocket clip is deep carry, tip up carry only. Here's a shot of it in my pocket to give you an idea of how it rides.